Hello everyone, myself Aditya Kishore, and you can call me Aditya. You already know it. So let's start this video. So you guys know that React 19.2 is out and it changes how we build fast, stateful, and personalized UIs. So they're trying to win us again. And how? Let's discuss about it. So React 19.2 has some amazing features, and three of them are activity component, use effect event, and partial pre-rendering. And you can see. So what is activity component? So activity component is a new feature in React 19.2 that lets you hide your component without unmounting it. So what does it mean? And how it's different from the conditional rendering. So we have an example here. So in conditional re-rendering, we have a show chat and chat room component. So when our show chat will be false, then our chat room will be unmounted, and all the effects, all uh, inputs, everything will be gone. And when show chat will be true again, then again a chat room will be available. But in activity component, you can choose you can choose your component should be visible or hidden without unmounting it. Like you are keeping it alive. Uh, let's understand with an example. Like you have a stage, and the actors are doing some music there, and suddenly something happened, and you just close the window. And after closing the window, the actors is still present at the back of the window, and they are just stay there. And when you again open the window, they start working again. They just stay there. So so activity component is like you keeping your state alive, and it's very useful. And now let's discuss use effect event. So use effect event is uh, like you uh, it's like a classic problem you get, uh, like you fetching an analytics, you fetching page view, and your event getting fired so many times. And you have to fix this by adding variables on dependency array, or using by using refs. But use effect event uh, saves all of the information, saves all the data uh, without re-rendering, without rerun. Without the uh, effect reruns, it can keep your data. Let's understand with a example. We have example here. So before, when we have a use effect event, we fetching a page view. So we get the URL as a prop string, and uh, we have a state here, number of items, and set number of items. Whenever we click add item, one item gets added, and every time number of items get changed, the use effect events rerun. And even URL changes, the use effect event reruns again. But if our URL is not changing, still the use effect event will be rerun. So this is a classic problem, and we solve this by using refs. Uh, but after use effect event, we can keep this without adding anything in the dependency array. Like, see this example, we are using use effect event, and you make a function here on visit, and then you just pass URL number of items, and you not you calling on visit function, and you not adding anything in the dependency array, and still it's working. And it's solving your problem. Like if you are fetching something from the database, every time the effect will be rerun, it will cost your API. So now it will solve your problem. And third one is the partial pre-rendering. What is partial pre-rendering? So partial pre-rendering is like breaking everything into small parts without loading everything at all once. It will load slowly, slowly, static parts first, dynamic parts later, and it will make your UI faster. Like you have something static in your page, it will load it first, and then if something dynamic, it is loading in the background. So these are the three features that I guess it's very useful for uh, every dev, and it's cool. React 19.2, it's cool. People should definitely use it. Next.js 16 have React 19.2, and in our ScrollX UI, uh, it's a model component library. We are still on React 18 something, but we will upgrade it because React 19.2 have amazing features. Amazing features. I like it. I loved it a lot. Yeah. So it's good. And let's see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe, keep doing something creative, and be creative.